Welcome back to my Relax Hair Care channel. I am so happy to be recording this video because as of today, dolls, as of today, your girl, me, you, we, us, we made it to 20K. This has been such a huge accomplishment, and you all already know that I could have not made it without your support. All your advice, all of your feedback, all of your subscribing, all of your liking, all of your sharing. I am so grateful for your support. And y'all already know, I told y'all, it's giveaway time. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are looking to see relaxed hair care challenges, to be seeing how to take care of your hair, whether that is relaxing your hair or trimming your hair, deep conditioning your hair, hot oil treatments, or whatever the case may be. Comment down below letting me know what videos you want to see, and I will make it happen. However, in today's video, I am sharing with you my 4 week, y'all. 4 weeks. It's been 4 long weeks of doing clove oil, but I am here to share those results with you. So if you again like challenges like this, or like to just see results based on organic products, this is the channel for you. We are doing a new challenge, and I will be mentioning that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And again, make sure you subscribe, because you are going to miss it, because if you're not subscribed, you're not getting my notifications, you're not going to know what challenge that we're on. And baby, 2022, we grow in inches. Also, that leads me to say, if you have not watched my previous video where I made the clove oil, definitely check out the iCards up above. Also, if you have not watched my 2-week results, y'all, you want to go watch that video. Again, that will be in the iCards above. So now that you're all caught up, that you paused this video, you went to go see those videos, now that we're all caught up, let's get into this video. So this is the section that I had apart from the rest of the hair. I had it twisted, and I just went ahead and untwist the hair, as you can see here. Clove oil, it is so many benefits to it. It helps with premature graying. Obviously, it promotes growth. It soothes the scalp. It reduces shedding. It also reduces dandruff, strengthens the scalp, and it also strengthens the hair. So why not do the clove oil, honey? It's one of the cheapest products that you can get from the grocery store, and just put it in whatever type of oil you want. The first oil that I did was aloe vera, and then next I started with grapeseed oil. Okay, so again, this is 4 weeks. I am going to post the videos of where my hair was in the beginning, 2nd week, and now. So this is the day. So tomorrow is Sunday. I am going to show you today, and then I'm going to also show you Sunday where my results are. This is the hair, same hair that I measured with the last time, and this was the scar. I want to say one of these scars was where I measured as to where my hair fell. Now, this is again, I'm going to turn to the side so you all can get a glimpse of it. Putting it here. To the side. Hopefully you all can get a good glimpse as to where the hair stops at. I'm gonna come to the front so you all can see. All right, I'm gonna grab the second piece of my hair. Where are you? Y'all, I've been trying to keep these twists in my hair. I guess it unraveled. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. So this is the twist that I had in. It did kind of partially unravel, and I am going to just pull that down, and that stops here. right, I want to say past the mark. Oh wow, past it. That's past it now. I can't remember if it went past it or not, but it's definitely past it now. That's that. To the side, this is to the front. Looking straight ahead. I will say this, what I have noticed is the soothing of my scalp, and I have noticed that my hair, I don't really see no breakage, and I'm looking for breakage. So I will say that it's done that. I don't know, can you all notice a difference? Comment down below. But I will say this, my hair feels strengthened. My hair, like I said, has reduced in shedding. It has also reduced, I don't see breakage like that at all. Again, this is where my hair looks like. And thickness, I think my hair is the same thickness as it's been. It's really hard to tell when you're kind of going through it, unless there's like a huge significant change. So as of now, that's where my hair stops at. That's what I'm looking like. Again, I told you all in my 2-week video that I'm going to continue to use clove oil because of the simple fact that it soothed my scalp. It just felt like it was healing it, and which that's what it said it does. Now, let's get into this challenge. Now, you don't have to join this challenge. You can jump on the next one if you wish to do that. Today, I'm just showing you the products that we're going to be using. So the next video, I am going to be preparing it, showing you how to prepare it, and we are going to be applying it. I want to give you all time to get the product so that we can do this together. So enough talking. Let's talk about these oils. All my products will be listed in the description. All of my products except for one was brought from Amazon. So I like Amazon because I can get it like this. I don't go out in the streets like that, so a lot of my products that come like this real quick. They're organic. I get a good amount for my money. And so if you want products, the exact products that I'm using, go to my description, click the link, and you can purchase your very own as well. All right, so first product is rosemary, and it is organic. That goes without saying. All these products are going to be organic products. Organic peppermint. My hair is already, oh, my hair right now, I can just feel it. I can feel the clove oil, like it continues to like soothe sensation on my scalp. I am so excited to use this because I've heard so many benefits on this product. So this is the organic vinaigrette. I'm done, ladies. If you're joining the challenge, make sure you stay tuned for the next video, which will be airing Thursday. I will be showing you how to make it as well as how to apply it. Comment down below what your thoughts are. Let me know that you're excited for this change. Thank you all again for 20K subscribers. Make sure you also stay tuned because, like I said, we are going to be giving a giveaway, and it's a good giveaway. It's a good giveaway. Just know, hint, it's a giveaway to help you with your hair journey. It's going to help you with your hair journey. I'll tell you the rules in the next video. Bye, dolls.